everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I'm happy to have you back to my Porto travel journaling. First, I pulled out the photos that I took at the riverside and the map that has the places in the photos. And also, I cut out some pictures and titles from Daphne's Diary magazine. The background had only neutral tone colors, so I added various floral washi tapes. Then I glued the map and I'm trying to figure out the layout. I'm baking this photo with a journaling card to make a flip out, but the washi tape was not strong enough to hold it, so I added double-sided tape on the washi tape. Then I made a tuck spot on the right corner, but I forgot to back it, so I cut scraps and added them with double-sided tape under the edges. I attached this photo on pastel blue scrap to make it look a Polaroid. Then I made a mini envelope with the envelope punch to attach on the left side. I glued a small picture that I cut out from Daphne's diary. I made the envelope to keep all the other photos. Only one of them was bigger than the envelope, so I trimmed it a little bit. I added one more thing from the map. I cut out a little picture of the tram and glued next to the flip out and on the border of the map so it can blend into the background better. I'm adding some washi tapes. And glue the title that I cut out from the magazine. I added a label next to the tram because there was much space to journal on this page. The last, as always, I stamped the date at the bottom of the photo card. I journaled and this is how the page turned out. Today's page was simple to do, but I love that it is interactive and it was fun to make the background with washi tapes. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process video. I wish you a wonderful week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.